while looking to the person to the left of you in the eye.
It's a bit,
So do your welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and today's video I have two very special guests. To my furthest, what is left, this is Lexi, just Lexi Simple, and this is Vanessa, aka Pink, Peach, and what's new on the menu. So today we'll be doing a truth or drink. So if you're interested in good time, good vibes, and some laughter, then keep on watching. 400 dirty truth or dare questions.
Dirty,
you know?
I like
Even heard of 400 feels stressed.
Do your best fake O while looking to the person to the left of you in the eye.
It's a bit,
So do your best fake orgasm.
We're looking to the person to the left of your what? Eye?
In the eye.
No, I can't do that. That's so weird.
I said dare! Well, nobody's over there, so.
You can drink.
Yeah.
So,
This is a little bit awkward.
yeah.
Jesus.
Won't be able to see you guys for like another 3 months, and I feel like I wash myself clean. Oh, God.
Have you ever left an X-rated or R-rated voicemail for an ex?
No.
No.
X out of my life.
Stop questioning relationship.
Not about this.
Like, if you had to have a threesome with anyone in this
No!
room,
Nope.
who would you do and why?
Let's have, yes. Top me up, please.
They're telling you not to give Nella the something. Take back the phone. Take it back. What is this? She asking them questions.
Continue.
What is the most adventurous thing you'd want someone to do to you? As we all chug our wines. I don't want to say it, but then I want somebody to cut it
Set me
out.
like a cherry,
One
let me ball and put my head. Say,
You did it.
right there.
You did it.
I'm kidding.
Ooh, snap.
Okay. Have you ever sexted anyone?
Nope.
Yes. Yes. I have.
I don't have no time for that.
Okay.
Ignore me.
What is the
Ignore
song
me.
that you get it on to the most?
Oh Lord, it's been so long.
Oh my god.
I don't think there's a constant song, to be honest. Okay. What is your favorite fantasy to pleasure yourself to?
Give me my phone because I cannot. You have another bottle of wine and it's right because
I don't dream, so this does not apply. You can stay there with them.
Oh gosh.
Is it hot in here?
you see, I didn't want to love the fact. You got put up in there.
Alright. How many people have you slept with?
It is embarrassing. Give me some
Embarrassing as in a
too
good,
much.
good embarrassing or
Too little in this glass. Thank you.
Anyway. Let us
Cheers, friend. Cheers.
Cheers.
2021.
nobody needs to know this.
Okay.
Yeah. Next.
I can count on one finger.
Who's the hottest person at your work? Who's the hottest person at your workplace?
I don't have a workplace.
You obviously want me to get hot from my job.
I won't say who's the hottest person because sometimes they watch my videos.
Same.
Cheer it up, pour it up, pour it up.
it up.
Oh snap!
The next question. What would be more thrilling?
What would be more thrilling, anger sex or makeup sex?
Angry.
Hmm.
I'm sorry.
Probably angry.
I just envision that when you're angry and you just
The passion and the
Like you-
heatedness
like you
and
just
the up against you.
grabbing.
And
Yes.
Yeah, the angry.
Like
The,
you're set at each other, but you just
You have
and
to
then
get
you
up
look at
all
each
that
other and then
energy.
you're just like,
Get up all that energy, and it's just like,
oh yeah.
yeah.
just saying.
Have you ever done it at work?
What?
I know I'm a doctor, but there's no Grey's. But this is not Grey's Anatomy.
Oh my god. No.
What's the most number of times you've done it in one day?
All day.
That you have to count so many times.
It was just,
Sun up till sundown. Never know how to eat.
Can't
Never
relate.
get to drink. Can't
Can't
relate.
relate.
wow. Yeah. Okay. Next question.
You have a drink.
Okay.
This bottle of
What
wine.
is one thing that gets you hot and bothered every time?
Deep voices.
A good smelling man.
Oh, that too.
Like if
Deep
I'm really
voice, yes.
if I'm really attracted and he smells good and then he comes and just
So like all of those to get like the trifecta, like deep voice, smell good, look good. Me say,
he just be like,
Why are you drinking?
I don't know. It's so good. I'm an alcoholic.
Oh god.
if I looked in your nightstand, what would I find?
Oh, I don't have one.
Jokes on you.
Money.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
The
actually,
charger.
what was it? Let us not.
Yes, please. Let us not.
So you take back your phone.
Okay, what is the most fun you've ever had in a romantic setting?
Play fight.
It's kind of cute.
Yeah.
Very cute.
When we'd make fun of the people at restaurants. or we'd like look at a couple and say their life story.
Oh,
how
like
they're-
tell a story
they're
how it
talking-
made them.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
To
sweet.
be honest, you
Like,
just
and
getting
they're in
tipsy
an
and then you
argument.
don't know what is going to be said next. Okay, what is the most embarrassing crush you've ever had?
I had a crush on my prep school person, the whole of prep school, and the whole of high school.
Oh,
Oh,
you had a
Lord.
bad. Jeez.
And then until I found out that he was a womanizing the whole, yeah, it just funny.
Sounds like a list of people I know.
Yes.
I've had a crush on a lecturer. Probably kind of still do, but
I don't know, maybe a teacher, but I can't remember which teacher at this
oh,
point.
no, I definitely know. which
I just
teacher
felt
I
like, you
remember.
know, all the years just wasted on this person.
No, I had a 7-year high school crush, and the minute I said that, everybody's gonna know who it is because everybody knew who it was. Yeah,
So,
Okay,
but I'm over it.
what's the hookup you regret the most?
I told my brother about this morning. My brother's like, I was making up with a guy, and the guy kept looking at himself in the mirror.
Oh yeah.
I was like,
Okay, you told me about that.
yeah, let me bring it closer.
I'm like, brother, what?
Just in celebration. Jesus.
I was like, this is not gonna work.
Alright, so
Clearly,
actually
I don't
an
know.
embarrassing moment, which wasn't necessarily a hookup. It's like one on my on my first kiss, right? You know in the movies you close your eyes. So we're closing eyes and then going in. Only thing the guy would be like, oh my eye!
What happened?
Oh, the lips did not connect. The lips did not connect.
What connected with his eyes though?
But listen, my eye.
Wow.
Oh no!
Y'all were on the same wavelength.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, that's
With you.
hilarious.
Jesus, what?
Have you ever had a one night stand?
No.
No.
I mean, there's one that's up. Sorry, excuse me.
You got chokes there. Okay. Just because it tastes good.
Might actually turn us into a one night stand. Still on the bus.
Have you ever faked it? Yes.
What? Have any more wine?
I do.
We're about to.
Oh my goodness.
What is your favorite body part on a guy? His ass. I love a good butt. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know. I got many good parts.
Do I have to say? Like, the best part.
Oh gosh. Let's see. Somebody else can pick questions since apparently my questions are way too spicy.
Are we?
Sally.
Where's Teresa? About what?
What?
What do you
Would you go out with an older man? Yes.
No.
need a sugar daddy? Hit me up.
Okay, I don't want no sugar daddy because I don't have the.
I just want one where I just have to call and say hello, and then I get like $50,000. That's all I want to do. Yeah. No anything else.
Must be nice.
And don't exist. Say it in a different language.
But I like a little bit of
Bonjour.
maturity.
Yeah, I do.
Not too old though. No, no saggy balls, but. But maturity, yeah.
These questions, because I'm asking the questions about pets.
Okay. What is the funniest thing your grandparents have ever said? Or what's the most embarrassing thing you've ever said in front of your grandparents?
I can't remember.
I've cursed in front of my grandmother before and she was so shocked. But I was driving and the person bad drive me. I'm so sorry.
That would warrant a curse word too. I'm sorry. Every day I go out on the road, I thank God that I reach right because these people are wild as like.
Okay. How many boyfriends have you had? And it's not 25 guys. It's oops. Have you ever been fired from your job?
Yes.
No.
No.
Yeah, my last job. Got a letter one evening and then was told that at that point in time that was the last day.
Do you have any sex toys? If so, how many?
I have
No.
none. I'm still waiting to buy.
I don't have any.
But then again, my mother made a discovery the other day in my shared room with my. Never mind. We're going to edit out that part, please. Because my person might be watching this.
Have you ever been caught doing something dirty?
No.
Like taking a shit.
No, like have your parents
I know.
ever walked by on you guys getting it on? Or-
No.
Where was my
Somebody.
parents and me getting it on at the same place? Ever. That is just, I can't, no, that can't. Why? Not even when we're married. Never put them in another flat somewhere? No.
What's the dirtiest thing you've ever done in bed? We're just streets.
Something illegal.
Not God, no.
Look at this, we're out of wine. Almost. What is your biggest turn on and your biggest turn off?
When the guy is smart. And sometimes you have to catch yourself from like, keep it down, hold it down. Because you're just like, oh, you know, I like, come.
Teach me something.
Yeah.
Teach me something new.
Yeah, like. When you can hold a good conversation with a guy
a really good
talk about,
conversation.
like, even the thing with the Wall Street stocks. How many persons can you hold a conversation with someone like, or guys that actually care about that?
Because, well, listen, you know, all guys, everybody should care about that because poverty is not cute and broke pocket don't run streets. So I don't know what is going on. Alright guys, so thanks for watching our Truth or Drink. Hopefully you had a lot of laughs, a lot of fun, and got to know us just a little bit better. Until next time.
A little bit.
Alright guys, you know what to do. Hit subscribe on this video, like, smash, demolish that like button, and comment down below what was your favorite question, any question you'd like to ask, and any other collab videos that you'd like to see from the three of us.
Sorry.
Until next time, thanks so much for watching. Peace.
Bye.
And don't forget to check out their YouTube channels, subscribe, and what are you waiting for? Like the video.
Because
Alright,
you want
guys.
us to come back. Comment down below if you want us to come back.